5 treatments to eliminate flat warts. Flat warts are another common manifestation of the human papillomavirus, HPV, that often affects the adolescent population. Flat warts are a small lesion in the skin. They're slightly elevated and reddish-brown colored and are characterized by having a flat and wart-like surface. They frequently appear on some parts of the face, but they also tend to be found on the hands and neck. They don't represent a serious problem, but they were contagious and come out about when your immune system is weakened. Fortunately, there are many natural treatments that can help to eliminate them without having to employ aggressive methods. In the following article, we'll share the 5 best treatments that you shouldn't hesitate to try when you're bothered with this problem. Take note. 1. Castor oil and baking powder. The fatty acids and antioxidants in castor oil combine with the vitamins and minerals in baking powder to provide an effective treatment for flat warts. These form a sticky mask that, when put on the affected areas, help to remove these protrusions. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 30 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 grams. Preparation: combine the castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda. How to apply: rub the product over the warts and cover with a band-aid or tape. Let it sit overnight and repeat the procedure every day before going to bed for a month. 2. Aloe vera and chamomile oil. Aloe vera gel is a product that helps to rehydrate and regenerate the skin, providing you with an important dose of antioxidants and minerals. In this treatment, we enhance its effects with the prodigious chamomile oil to soften the warts and make it easier to eliminate them. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 45 grams. 1 tablespoon of chamomile oil, 15 grams. Preparation: mix the aloe vera gel with a tablespoon of chamomile oil. How to apply: at night, before going to bed, apply a generous amount of the product to the warts. Cover with an adhesive band-aid and let sit overnight. Rinse the following day and repeat the treatment until you notice an improvement. 3. Onion juice and salt. The sulfurous components in onions have an antiviral effect that helps to fight viruses that cause warts on the skin. Its natural acidic acids re-establish the skin's pH and soften the hardness while eliminating dead cells. Ingredients: 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams. Preparation: peel and cut the onion in many pieces. Put them in a container and cover it with a teaspoon of salt. Let sit for 10 minutes and then process in the blender to extract the juice. How to apply. Put a cotton ball in the onion juice and apply it to the warts. Let the remedy sit for a couple of hours or all night. Repeat its use every day until your skin is cured. 4 baking soda. The exfoliating and emollient effects of baking soda can help to reduce the size of flat warts that can form on the face and hands. Its properties eliminate dead skin and help to improve circulation to achieve optimal regeneration of the cells. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 10 grams. 2 tablespoons of water, 30 milliliters. Preparation. Mix the baking soda with the water until you have a thick paste. How to apply. Rub the product over the warts using circular massaging motions. Let sit for 40 minutes and then rinse. Repeat its use every day until the warts disappear. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C tablets have an acidic pH that helps to treat the skin when warts and scars appear. Its direct application supports cellular regeneration and removes impurities and dead cells. Ingredients. 2 vitamin C tablets. 1 tablespoon of water, 15 milliliters. Preparation. Crush up the vitamin C pills in a mortar, until you have a powder. Mix them with a tablespoon of water and form a paste. How to apply. Spread the treatment over the areas affected by the warts and let sit for 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse with warm water and repeat its use every day. Keep in mind that for these remedies to give you results, you have to be consistent with their application. If you only apply them every now and then, it will be hard to see the difference. If you are not able to eliminate the warts with these methods, consult a doctor to learn about other procedures.